anyone from athletes that are active to people with chronic pain. We are here to boost immune system, so anything to help your wellness, that's what we're here for. During the pandemic, we were able to remain open, being considered an essential business. We were grateful for the opportunity to serve those that were out and about working hard by boosting their immune system with our high-dose vitamin C. We are loving seeing the continued traffic as people get back to their lives and continue to work on that immune system and being comfortable to be out and about during this pandemic. This week we're celebrating our 1-year birthday celebration. We are taking that opportunity to make already affordable services a little more affordable for those that might have a stricter budget and wanting to take care of their bodies in this pandemic. Our 1-year celebration is the 17th through the 20th. The services we're offering are $10 cryotherapy, $10 PVM, and $10 compression therapy. We're also offering our 50% off our IV drips, 20% off any packages and memberships, which only happens once in a very great while, and 30% off our NAD services. We want you to know that this is a great place full of incredible staff that will take good care of you. You have the opportunity to take care of yourself. Be proactive in caring for your immune system and getting back to life during this pandemic. Come and see us. Come and see us. Restore Hyper Wellness and Cryotherapy. You can look us up on Google or search us at restore.com.